All right, guys, you've seen the title and the thumbnail, and I know this is one of your favorite dishes from the Chinese takeout. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a broccoli stir fry, but it's with ground beef. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's go over the ingredients for today's recipe. Back here we have our broccoli, and I got the little small florets right here. Take the stem off of it, that big thick stem. Take that off of it, you just want the florets. Our ground beef. We have some diced red and yellow bell peppers, red chili flakes, honey, olive oil, rice vinegar, cornstarch, grated ginger, chopped garlic, soy sauce, and right here we have some diced onions. So that's all you need. Let's get into it. So to start, we're going to create our honey garlic sauce by taking this clean bowl, add our soy sauce here, our honey, rice wine vinegar, our grated ginger, and our red chili flakes. And we're just going to get at a mix. All right. So we're gonna move this aside, bring over our cornstarch. We're gonna take 2 tablespoons of water, add it to our bowl with our cornstarch, and we're gonna mix this up to make our slurry. This is what you call a cornstarch slurry. Just that simple. All right, so now we're done with the prep work. Let's head over to our cooktop and continue. All right, so let's crank up our cooktop. Over medium heat, we're gonna add our olive oil. As that oil heats up, we're gonna add our onions and our bell peppers. And we're gonna cook these for about 3 to 4 minutes until they soften. All right, so after that 2 to 4 minutes, you wanna go in with your ground beef. And you want to cook this for the next 5 to 7 minutes, breaking it up as you cook it. We'll hit that with a little salt and a little pepper. And we're going to continue to cook it until that meat is brown and cooked all the way through. All right, so after about 5 minutes and our beef is cooked all the way through, we're going to add our chopped garlic, and we're going to cook this for another 30 to 45 seconds. All right, after that 45 seconds, we're going to add our broccoli florets here. We're going to get this mixed in. We're going to add about 1/4 cup of water. We're gonna take a lid and we're gonna cover this up and we're gonna let it steam for about 4 to 5 minutes. All right, so after about 4 minutes, we're gonna remove our lid. Look at that broccoli, perfectly bright green like you want it. You wanna give your honey garlic sauce a quick mix, and then you wanna pour it over the top just like this. We're gonna stir everything together. All right, so now what we're gonna do is let this simmer, drop our heat down to low, and we're gonna let this simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. All right, so after that 2 to 3 minutes, we want that sauce to thicken up for us, to be a little caramelized. We're gonna add our slurry. Give it a quick mix before you add it. And this is gonna thicken that sauce up. We're gonna mix it real quick. Then we're gonna let this simmer for another 2 minutes. All right, guys, after that 2 minutes, we're going to give this a quick stir, turn our heat off. We're gonna remove it from our cooktop over to our cutting board. All right, so we're gonna let this sit for about 2 minutes to let that sauce settle and thicken up. And then when we come back, we're gonna get into our final presentation, get it plated up and into quality control. All right, so after about a couple of minutes, this is what we have. And we're just going to end this off by adding a few sesame seeds here to the top. All right, so it's quality control, man. Let's take a look at what we got. These groceries, dog. Look at the groceries, man. Ooh, is that enough light on that, man? Is that enough light on that? Oh, man. Let's go ahead and get this baby a try. Get some of the ground beef, rice, and broccoli on here. Oh, man. God, this is delicious. Man, this is good. Oh, man. If this is one of your favorite from the Chinese takeout, you definitely want to try this, guys. So, add this one here to your recipes to do. And until the end, y'all already know I am. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, him not a chef. Him just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace. Okay.